Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you all how I got this slick ponytail. As you all can see, I am going ahead and starting by adding a little water to my hair and just massaging that in. And once that's done, I am going to go ahead and part my hair so you all can do the same. Whichever side or middle part you want, you can go ahead and do that. And right here I'm just using some Honey by Camille Rose Natural as my leave-in. I am working on dirty hair. I took out a hairstyle and decided that I wanted a sleek ponytail before I wash my hair. So I'm just adding a little bit more moisture to it because we will be using some edge booster, and I just wanted to make sure my hair was moisturized. Now, you want to go ahead and detangle each section that you created. I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video, you are going to want to work in sections. I have about 3 in the front and 2 large sections in the back, but as you all can see, I am breaking those sections up and thoroughly detangling. To get a sleek ponytail, you want to make sure all of the lumps, the bumps, the tangles, the dead hair is out. And I am having a little bit more shedding because I had a protective style in for about 2 to 3 weeks, so that's why I have a little bit more hair in the comb. But once you detangle a section, you want to put it away and go ahead and move to the other sections. Now, to create a shorter video, I decided not to show you all me detangling my other sections, but right here I'm about to go ahead and start slicking the hair down for the slick ponytail. And like I said before, I am using edge booster, but I also used a little bit of hair oil. I believe I used vitamin E oil and wild growth hair oil, as you will see later on in the video. But you do want to make sure that you put a little bit of oil on your hair with the edge booster and begin slicking it back. This is my handy dandy dimming brush. I prefer the dimming brush over using a hard regular brush because I feel like it continues to get my hair as sleek as possible, as you all will see throughout the video. You all will also see me gradually pushing the ponytail up and up because I didn't want to pull my edges in the front out, so I felt that it was best for me to continuously pull the ponytail up instead of trying to get a low slick back. And now I'm moving on to the next section, and I'm going to repeat this process. And you all will see that I am going to only create one ponytail. I will not be using 5 different ponytail holders on this style. I will only be using one. So I am proud of that. I got all of this hair, thick short hair, into one ponytail, as you all will see throughout the video. This is pretty much self-explanatory, but if I feel like I need to pop back in and say a few little tips, I will, but I'm going to let you all enjoy the video.
It's too many secrets, it's too many lies, it's too many finding out.
Your hands are your best friend when creating this slick ponytail because you are able to feel the lumps and bumps, and you're also able to use your hands to continuously molding. As you all will see, I have one hand using a comb or a brush, and then I have my other hand going back and smoothing it down. So every time I brush or comb, I use the other hand to continuously smooth and mold my hair into the place that I want it to go.
I let you back in, the next time you out with my friend. Love on you, wasting my time. It's 2020 now, I'm on my grind. I thought you were gone, you are still on my mind. Yeah, I'm thinking of you with every line. Yeah, you moved on and I promise it's fine. Me moving on, yeah, we'll take some time, but I guess for now I have to say goodbye. Oh, goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Whoa, goodbye, 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 goodbye. Oh, goodbye, 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 goodbye. I give you my love and I give you my life. Yeah, maybe I failed a couple of times, but I got right up and stood right by your side. Cause that's where I was and I wanted to be. Told you the truth, said I never would leave. And you found that true when you wanted to split. So you got right up and you did what you did. flaws, but I already seen it. You don't wanna hurt me, I'm over here bleeding. You fed up with us, but you stay and not leaving. You say that you love me, but you broke my heart. You were the one that went right from the start. Girl, you were my everything, true piece of art. Who would have known that you would tear me apart? Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, 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 goodbye.
And as you all will see here, I let my hair pretty much tell me how far I need to go up with the ponytail. As I saw that my hair in the front was not reaching back, I decided to continuously move the ponytail up until it fits comfortably. And this was one way I tried to listen to my hair so that I didn't pull my edges too much in the front.
It's 2020 now, I'm on my grind. Although you are gone, you are still on my mind. Yeah, I'm thinking of you with every line. You moved on and I promise it's fine. Me moving on, yeah, it will take some time. But I guess for now, I have to say goodbye. Oh, goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.
My old lovers fall into my covers where they sink one by one. Yeah, I watch them disappear to nothing, disposable as chewing gum. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards? 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting.
So I decided not to mess with 3/4 of my hair, and I just grabbed one more scrunchie, and I'm just going to put that around my ponytail. And I will bobby pin that side a little bit because I see that there is a bump and I was going for more of a slick look. So out of this whole hairstyle, I only had to use one bobby pin to lay my hair down flat, and I was super proud of that. And this little edge brush did help me get my hair a little bit more sleek because it was able to get those little small hairs. Here I just sprayed on a little bit of Maximum Hold Oil Sheen. I would have preferred to use Pump It Up, which is like spritz, but I did not have any, and yeah, that's pretty much just what I use, and it seemed to do the job. I am going to tie my hair down for about an hour. In hindsight, I probably would have let my hair set like this overnight so that it would be completely dry, because I found out that my hair wasn't completely dry, but it was okay. So now we are going to create the ponytail. This is some leftover hair I had, some twists, and as you can see, it's better for me to just show than talk through it, but I'm just crocheting it on this ponytail holder. And I try to do it slow so that you all can see, but if you don't catch it, just rewind and I'm sure you'll catch it because it's pretty simple. And as I crochet, I just make sure that I slide the twist closer together. As you all will see, I just move it down after I tie the knot and make sure that it is tight.
We're so close, but still we can
And this is how many twists I have. I will be pulling these apart once I put it on my head. But you can make this ponytail however big or however small you would like. And yeah. So right here, I'm just putting the ponytail on and doing a little crisscross in the back and putting it on top of the bun. I could have put my ponytail a little bit tighter, but I was kind of going for more of like a semi-looser look, and I did not want to put any more tension on my hair than what was already there. And as you all can see, I'm just going through and unraveling the twist to get the curls popping, and I will go in and I guess separate some of them more to give it a little bit of fluff. And then once you get to your last twist, you want to pull it apart, wrap it around so that you can hide your ponytail pieces. And as you all will see in a minute, I will bobby pin that in the back so that it is not poking out or can be seen.
Because if I am not for myself, who the night, so treat me like I like, if only for a night. I'm not demanding, I just require a little fragile handling tonight, so treat me like I like, if only for a night. I'm not demanding, I just require a little fragile handling, I just require a little fragile handling, I just require a little fragile handling. I wrote a list and tore it up of all the things I thought.
To create a little bit more fluff, I will go in and cut the ends that are somewhat really coily, and that adds a little bit of flavor and a little pizzazz and more fluff. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. After shaking it out and getting it how I like so that it suits my face, I am completely satisfied with it. Really fell in love with this look and surprised that I got my hair in a ponytail. But if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me and turn on your bell notification so that you get notifications straight to your phone when I upload a video and you won't miss out. And I will see you all in my next video. Really hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and leave a comment and give this video a thumbs up. See ya!
I just require